Good evening students. Today we do some basic formulas for trigonometry and inverse trigonometry for class plus 1 and plus 2. In this the first formula is sine A plus B, which equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Second one is sine A minus B, which equals to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Third one is cos A plus B, which equals to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. The next one is cos A minus B, which equals to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. In next formula we have tan A plus B, which equals to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A into tan B. The next one is tan A minus B, which equals to tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A and tan B. In next we have formula tan 45 plus theta, which equals to 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. In next one there is a formula for tan pi by 4 minus theta, which equals to 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta. There are 4 CD formulas, which are: first one is sin C plus sin D, which equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Next one is sin C minus sin D. In this, cos is in front, C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. In the next, cos C plus cos D. This equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 multiply cos C minus D by 2. In next, cos C minus cos D. In this formula we have negative sign, 2 sin C plus D by 2 and sin C minus D by 2. To remember this, we know in both signs plus and in minus, if there is a plus, sin is in front and cos is in back. But if there is minus, then cos is in front and sin is in back. In cos, if there is a plus, then both are cos. If there is a minus, then both are sin. These are the formulas for CD. The next formula is 2 sin A sin B, which is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Next one is 2 sin A cos B. In this we have sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. In next we have 2 sin A 2 cos A sin B. In this, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. In the next, 2 cos A cos B, which is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. In next formula we have sin 2 theta, which is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, which equal to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. The next one is cos 2 theta which is equal to 2 cos theta 2 cos square theta means sin square theta equal to 2 cos square theta means 1 equal to 1 means 2 sin square theta equal to 1 means tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. These are the formulas for cos 2 theta. And again formula is tan 2 theta which equal to 2 tan theta over 1 means tan square theta. The next one is sin 3 theta which is equal to 3 sin theta means 4 sin cube theta. 4 sin cube theta. Next one is cos 3 theta which equals to 4 cos cube theta means 3 cos theta. The next one is tan 3 theta which is equal to 3 tan theta means tan cube theta over 1 means 3 tan square theta. The next one is 1 plus cos 2 theta which is equal to 2 cos square theta. Next one is 1 means cos 2 theta which is equal to 2 sin square theta.